What's up guys, Tayo here. So Samsung just released the Samsung Galaxy S21 FE, even though we're in 2022. And if you don't know, the FE line is basically Samsung's budget flagships. That is, they are not budget device and they are not on flagship devices as well. They are just a step above mid-range devices. And at a price of $699, you get a Snapdragon 888 chipset, 4500 mAh battery, a triple camera setup, and much more. So yeah, let's start off with the body, which is made out of plastic and it has an aluminium frame. And as for the display, it is covered by Corning Gorilla Glass Victus, which is the strongest form of Corning Gorilla Glass yet. Speaking of display, it rocks a 6.4-inch dynamic AMOLED display with a resolution of 1080 by 2340 pixels, capable of 120Hz refresh rate. Underneath the display, we get an optical fingerprint scanner, which is quite different from the ultrasonic fingerprint scanner we got on the S21 Ultra, and on top we get a 32 megapixel selfie camera. Media consumption would be fine, outdoor usage would be fine as well. Since it's a Samsung display, you would expect it to be bright and sharp and you get that saturated look, which is fine. And speaking of fine, if you like this video and subscribe, you will be fine as well. So like this video and subscribe and share with your friends. You get up to 8GB of RAM and 256GB of storage, and a base model of 6GB of RAM and 128GB of storage. Performance wise, everything would be okay as well. I mean, if you're gaming on your device, you'll be able to game perfectly on this device. Video editing, you'll be able to video edit on this device. Social media would be nice as well. Same applies to the camera. It is what you would expect from a $700 device. And if you want the specs of the camera, well, this device houses a triple camera setup consisting of a 12 megapixel main sensor, an 8 megapixel telephoto camera, and a 12 megapixel ultra wide camera. There is no charger in the box, but it supports up to 25 watts of wired charging, 15 watts of wireless charging, and it is also capable of reverse wireless charging. That is, if you want to charge your Galaxy Buds Pro or something like that, you can place it up on this device and it will charge it. And even if you want to charge another device, you can charge it on this device as well. So yeah, let me know your thoughts and opinion on this device in the comment section right below the like button. Would you see yourself buying this device even if the S22 lineup is literally a month from now? Would you buy this instead of the S21, since they are basically the same price at this moment? Let me know your thoughts and your opinions in the comment section right below the like button once again. And yeah, thanks for watching and catch you guys in the next video. Peace.